Today I want to speak to you all about using a crystal pendulum. So crystal pendulums have changed my life quite a lot, really, in terms of making decisions. So I hope that it can help you too. So what is a crystal pendulum to start with? Basically, it's any crystal on a chain or a necklace like this that can be used to help you with your decision-making process. So this is great if you get stuck around something. So say you are in a situation and you 100% don't know what way to go with it. Maybe you're in conflict between your head and your heart. Maybe you're dwelling on something, you just don't know what the best outcome is. Whether it's like a relationship, it could be, do I stay or leave a particular job I'm in? Do I don't know, it could be literally huge things in your life or tiny, small things in your life. But this is just great because what it's going to do is help tap into your intuition. So when we're tapped into our intuition, it's basically helping us access our higher consciousness. Normally, when we're stuck around a decision, it can be because we're listening too much to our rational mind, or maybe our subconscious mind is playing a role in what we think we should do. So our subconscious mind, which is developed from approximately ages 0 to 7, we start laying down some core belief systems based on our childhood. Now, those belief systems can sometimes come from wanting to protect ourselves, but they're not always the best thing for us. And often our subconscious mind can get us into a bit of a trap because we can start making decisions for our life that can actually negatively impact us because they're coming more from a space of fear, lack, insecurity, jealousy, judgment, all those kind of emotions, rather than love, compassion, gratitude, and all those more high vibrational emotions. So what the crystal pendulum is going to do, like I said, is help tune in and tap us in to our higher consciousness so that our decisions are coming from a much more high vibrational state, from more like love and compassion, okay? So the first thing that we need to do, so the first step in using your crystal pendulum is obviously find a crystal that you feel you can connect to, and then we want to activate its energy. So to activate its energy and connect to it, we're going to place the crystal in our hand, close our eyes, and with a closed fist, I want you to imagine light shining onto you and your crystal, okay? And when you're doing this, like I said before, we need to be getting into a vibration of kind of love, gratitude, peacefulness, to really tune into that higher consciousness space. Okay, so when you feel like you've got there, which you only need a couple of seconds to do this, you don't need to overthink it, can't do it wrong. When you've done that, then step 2 is we want to ask the crystal a test question. So what I do for this is I just ask my name. So I'll say, is my name Violet? So I'm going to get a front to back response. So this is a yes for me. So front to back is yes. Then I'll ask a question I know to be false. So I'll say, is my name Dave? My name is not Dave, by the way. So as you can see, the crystal has changed direction now, side to side. So that is a no. And sometimes when you ask a question, you can get a circle, which can signify maybe. So the reason to do the test part is most people, it will be a front to back yes, a side to side no. But some people are not that. You may get another direction or swing. So you just need to find out for yourself what your yes and what your no is, okay? So once you're there and you know your yes and no, now you need to ask your actual question. And like I said, it needs to be a yes or no question to keep it as simple as possible. You can start with small things and build up to bigger things, or you can just go straight in and like ask a massive thing. So I'm going to ask something like, should I should I leave my house in the next 3 months? So I'm getting a no. So good. I'm going to stay here for the next 3 months. That's cool. So yeah, like I said, this has fundamentally changed the direction of my life because of the decisions that I'm using to help me access this part of me. And I genuinely don't think cosmic crystals would be where it is today, or where I would be where I am today, without using this technique. So yeah, I really hope that you found this useful. I hope you can give it a little go, have a little test with it, and start making decisions, like I said, that are based on love rather than fear. And good luck to you, and thank you.